Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you have been seeing a lot of spiders in your home lately, we can totally relate to how irritating it would be. These creepy crawlers can be unsettling and in some cases even venomous. But don't worry. With the right techniques you can easily keep them at bay. In today's video we will share with you some effective DIY tips for spider control. Tip number 1. Spiders hate the strong scent of essential oils like peppermint and citrus. So just mix a few drops with water and spray around sites where spiders could enter from. Tip number 2. Frequent vacuuming helps remove spiders, webs, and egg sacs before they become a major issue. Tip number 3. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth powder around spider-prone areas. This will help eliminate the insect by dehydrating it. Tip number 4. Trim bushes, remove wood piles and keep your lawn tidy to reduce hiding spots and potential entryways for spiders. While most of these tips can be helpful to some degree, most infestations require professional assistance from reliable sources like ASM Pest Control. Our experts use safe and effective methods to not just remove spiders but also make sure they do not return, providing you with long-lasting peace of mind. Contact us today and get your safe and healthy space back.